Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export and backup data in Zoho Books. Whether you're safeguarding your financial records or preparing reports for your accountant, knowing how to properly export and back up your data ensures you never lose critical business information. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account that contains the data you want to export. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your books. Look for the option labeled Items and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with additional choices, and from there click on Items again to proceed to the main Items page. Now that you're on the Items menu, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on it to reveal an expanded set of options. Hover your cursor over the option named Export, and you'll notice additional selections appear. You can choose between Export Items or Export Current View. For this tutorial, we'll select Export Items and click on it. A new window will pop up with several configuration options. From the module drop-down menu, click and select Items from the list of available options. Below that, you'll see radio buttons allowing you to choose between all items or specific period. If you select specific period, you'll be prompted to enter the exact date range you want to export. You'll also need to select a template and decimal format that matches your reporting needs. Further down, you'll find 3 radio button options for the file format you want to export your data in. There's also a toggle button if you need to include sensitive, personally identifiable information while exporting. If you're concerned about data security, you have the option to password protect the file as well. Once you've configured all these settings to your preference, click on Export to complete the process. Now let's move on to backing up your data. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings menu and your gateway to important account management features. From the settings menu, use the search bar at the top and type in Backup under the Data Management tab. You'll be directed to the Data Backup page. On this page, click the Backup Your Data button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to select which file type you want your data backed up in. Just like with the export process, you can include sensitive, personally identifiable information by toggling the checkbox, and you can add file protection to secure this backup file. Once you've configured these settings according to your needs, click on Continue to finalize your backup. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export specific items and create comprehensive backups of your Zoho Books data, giving you peace of mind and control over your financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.